Hey guys, one of my very favorite plants today. It is the Wandering Jew, and this is the Baby Bunnies variety. Now, guys, this is no disrespect, to the Jewish people, but rather a tribute because the Jewish people are resilient. They will put their roots down and thrive wherever they are. This plant is the same. You can propagate it in water, dirt, no matter where it goes, it just keeps going and going and going for you. I believe there are at least 5 varieties of this kind of plant, but I know there's probably more. Um, that but there's 5 varieties, maybe I should put it this way, that I have my eye on right now. But it is just awesomely beautiful. This one here, the baby bunny bellies, is so soft and sweet, and if you look at them closely, they just kind of like bounce off each other, and you can just take a piece and just give it to a friend or root it, and it just will just start all over. I have actually gave my baby bunny bellies a haircut, and now I took all the pieces and put them in the bottom of other plants. I put them in water because I love this plant so much. I just want to grow as much of it as I can because that's how much I love this plant. I know some people feel like this is a common plant to them, but to me it is something that I just treasure and I love. It's an old time favorite, and I want to get all the varieties and grow them and flourish them. And it's like I said, it's just one of those plants I love. You can make dish gardens with it, you can give it to your friends. It's just a beautiful plant. So there you go, baby bunny bellies. Now remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm.